extra robotic arms. Unfortunately for Dr. Octavius, an explosion damages his brain and dooms him to a life of villainy. When the comic book debuted in 1963, it was pure science fiction to imagine that the brain could be attached directly to robotic limbs. But this idea has made a surprisingly rapid shift from fantasy to reality. But a question arises. Could you embellish your body with more arms, mechanical legs, or a robot on the other side of the world? Glad you asked. Now, the solution. There will be electrical spike detectors or electrodes to map the activity of the brain spikes caused when the user is asked to imagine or think about moving a body part. These detectors will track change in neurons caused by the synapses. After, the motors attached to the bionic limb will act as the spinal cord of the system. It will carry the signals across the body to the required impairment. As for output, the signal generated will be received by the bionic arm, and thence the limb will move just as it was supposed to. When a user thinks about moving his arm, the signals pass through the machine learning algorithms to learn how to best interpret the firestorm of neural activity, bypass the damaged spinal cord, and jump instead to the algorithms to learn how to best interpret the firestorm of neural activity, bypass the damaged spinal cord, and jump instead to the muscle simulator. Coming to the economical part of the project. The making of a single working prototype of this idea will levy us approximately 3,000 to 8,000 INR. Bulk production of the same, if proposed in the market, will decrease the selling cost. While this project saves the manufacturing cost for the developer, it will also benefit the user. The economic benefits are endless, allowing amputees to live independently, reduce costs on society in the loss of wages, reduce caregiving expenses, etc.